Welcome to C Language Basic Input and Output Statements. Input and output statements are used to read and write the data in C programming. There are mainly two of input-output functions are used for reading and writing the data in C programming. They are unformatted IO functions, formatted IO functions. Let us continue our study towards unformatted IO functions. There are mainly 6 unformatted IO functions discussed as follows. The first one is getChar, second putChar, third gets, fourth puts, fifth getCh, sixth getChe. Let us study in detail each one of the following. Firstly, getChar. This function is an input function. It is used for reading a single character from the keyboard. The general syntax is as v is equals to getChar, open and close parenthesis with a semicolon in the end, where v is the variable of character type. For example, char n and n is equals to getChar, open close parenthesis and semicolon in the end. Let us next study about putChar. This function is an output function. It is used to display a single character on the screen. The general syntax is as putChar, open parenthesis, v close parenthesis, where v is the variable of character type. For example, char n and putChar, open parenthesis, n close parenthesis. Next, let us study about getS. This function is an input function. It is used to read a string from the keyboard. The syntax is gets, open close parenthesis, where v is the variable of character type. Example, char n of size 20. Next, gets, open close parenthesis. Let us continue our study towards putS. This is an output function. It is used to display a string inputted by getS function. It is also used to display a text message on the screen for program simplicity. The general syntax is puts, open parenthesis, v close parenthesis ended with a semicolon, or puts, open parenthesis, in double quotes, hello, close parenthesis ended by a semicolon, where v is the variable of character type. Let us continue to learn about getCh. This is also an input function. This is used to read a single character from the keyboard, like getChar function. The general syntax is v is equals to getCh, open close parenthesis with a semicolon in the end, where v is the variable of character type. Further, let us study about getChe. All are same as getCh function, except it is an echoed function. It means when you type the character data from the keyboard, it will be visible on the screen. The general syntax is v is equals to getChe, open close parenthesis with a semicolon, where v is the variable of character type. Now let us study about formatted IO functions. There are only two formatted IO functions, scanf and printf. Let us study firstly with the scanf. The scanf function is an input function. It is used to read the mixed type of data from the keyboard. You can read integer, float, and character data by using its control codes or format codes. The general syntax is scanf, open parenthesis, open double inverted commas, control strings, argument 1, 2, till argument n, close parenthesis, and semicolon in the end. Here, argument 1, 2 till argument n are the arguments for reading, and v1, v2, v3, vn all are the variables. Here we can represent both the arguments and the variables. Let us next further study about printf statement. Printf, this is an output function. It is used to display a text message and to display the mixed type of data which can be int, float, char of data on the screen. The general syntax is printf, open parenthesis, open the double inverted commas, hello world, close the inverted commas and close the parenthesis, ended with a semicolon in the last. Thank you.